Good evening. It's Tuesday, June 1st, just after 10 o'clock at night, Pacific time. I just wanted to go over a couple trading setups that I'll be watching over the next few trading sessions. We're looking at the Aussie dollar 4-hour chart. Last week we were selling around 85 to 85.50 here. You can see that the market has come off, came down about 100 pips, and then retraced back up to 85, and then it's just been slowly falling down here. Now we're at 82.78. If we look left, we can see where where support is at 82 and 81 down here. I have a double bottom. I don't like trading when the market is in a sideways channel like this. I want to have some more significant moves. So what I'll be looking for is a move down here, somewhere down into these two support areas, either 82 or 81, possibly a little bit lower. It really depends on the type of candle that we get. If we have a large 4-hour candle closing near the lows, then that's what I'll be looking for in order to establish a long position. So pay attention to that. What you can do is you can set some price alerts down around these areas and then time it around the closes of some 4-hour candles. So that's pretty much it on the Aussie dollar. I would like, maybe see a retest of 87, maybe 88, and then I would look at getting short there as well. So those are a couple trading ideas that I'll be looking at. Next up on my list is a pound dollar. I would like to start looking for a place to get short. Notice we have some previous support, which could be turning into resistance now, over around 47.50, maybe 48, 48.50. So again, the market's kind of just settling down here pre-London session. We can see that it tried to go up earlier, and then sellers stepped in, leaving this wick on this 4-hour candle. I would be looking for the market to shoot up into these resistance areas, somewhere around 47.50, maybe 48.50, somewhere around here. Again, I'll be looking for a 4-hour close near the highs. If there's a wick, I'll wait for a retest of that area. Sometimes you get the retest on maybe a 1-hour or a 2-hour candle. Usually the third or fourth candle into that 4-hour candle is going to be the best one to take the trade on a lower time frame. Let's go ahead and look at an 8-hour chart. You can just see how the market hasn't been doing much of anything recently. You are getting a succession of higher lows here and higher highs, but I think this is just setting up for a sell-off. So again, just watch these resistance levels. 48 I think would be a really good area. Of course, if we get a close higher, then you want to use that as your entry point. So make sure that you're timing your entries with the closes of the candles. That will really help you to fine-tune your entries and get a much better position. The next up is the euro dollar. You can see that price is just consolidating around the 122 handle. I'm not taking any position at this point. We do have a wick down here on the previous 4-hour candle from the previous night. And then price came shooting up here above this consolidation area, only to fall back down here near the lows. I would potentially look for a place to get long. If it comes down here, maybe shoots lower. This candle actually made a low 21.10. So if I think maybe the 1.2 handle would be a little bit better, but ultimately I would be waiting for rallies to sell. I want to keep selling this thing on rallies. So keep your eye on the resistance levels. Just go back to the left and start plotting out various resistance levels. So if we do get a rally, then you can look for sell setups at those areas, or maybe just beyond. And I think that's going to be your lowest risk, highest profit trading areas. So that's pretty much it for now. Set your price alerts and then come back. And remember to time your trades around the close of the candles. 4-hour candles are really good for that. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and happy trading.